Good morning, students. In the similar triangles, so far I have uploaded 2 videos, and we have seen the basic proportionality theorem, the corollary of basic proportionality theorem, which is also called as the Thales theorem, how to solve the problems using Thales theorem. All these things we have done in first 2 videos, and today let me go for some more problems, some more problems which are very important from the examination point of view. I will take up those problems first, then later we will study about the converse of basic proportionality theorem and the problems of it. See, corollary is different and the converse is different. We are learning about the converse, but after these 2 problems. Okay. So let us start today's discussion with some of the problems based on the basic proportionality theorem. That is, in triangle XYZ, Mn is a parallel to YZ. Further, I am giving you this is x, this is x plus 1, this is x plus 3, and this is x plus 5. Okay, the measurements are given, and I give you find x. Find x. How to solve this problem? We have to start like this. In triangle XYZ, Mn is parallel to YZ. मतलब आपको एक पैरेलल लाइन देना ही पड़ेगा, तब भी आप बेसिक प्रोपोर्शनल थ्योरम अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. चाहे वो YZ के लिए पैरेलल हो, चाहे वो XY के लिए पैरेलल हो, और XZ के लिए पैरेलल हो, कोई भी एक साइड के लिए पैरेलल देना जरूरी है. कम ऑन, ये तो पैरेलल हो गया. उसके बाद जब हम पैरेलल जब दिया जाता है, we can say xm, the parts are proportional. This divides the sides proportionally, मतलब this divided by this is equals to this divided by this. इसमें कोई किसी को भी इक्वल नहीं होता, लेकिन ए दोनों को डिवाइड करने के बाद जो आंसर आता है, that will be equals to whatever the answer you are getting on dividing these two. ए दोनों को डिवाइड करने के बाद जो आंसर आता है और ए दोनों को डिवाइड करने के बाद जो आंसर आता है, that answers will be same, or that ratio will be same. Come on. And then is parallel to YZ. I can write therefore xm divided by xmy is equals to xn divided by nz. xn divided by nz. This is because you can write in short BPT, मतलब basic proportionality theorem. Come on, substitute कर दो. X divided by x plus 1 is equals to, it is x plus 3 divided by x plus 5. Right? Cross multiply. X into x plus 5 is equals to x plus 3 into x plus 1. Come on. This is monomial into binomial into binomial. Come on, multiply. X into x square, x into 5, 5x. This is binomial into binomial. यहाँ से start करोगे. X into x square. X into 1, x. 3 से start करोगे. 3 into x, 3x. 3 into 1 is 3. यदि हम सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे, x square plus 5x is equals to, देखो, x square plus x plus 3x, 1x plus 3x gives you 4x plus 3. दोनों तरफ से x square को कैंसिल कर दे सकते. I can cancel it, क्योंकि अगर यहाँ से मैं इसको यहाँ लेकर भी आता हूँ तो x square minus x square हो जाता है, and I can cancel that. This x square gets cancelled. क्या बचा? 5x minus 4x let me go for one more problem. Okay, first you complete this. Okay students, this is one problem. Let's understand first what is given. In triangle ABC, DM is parallel to BC. That means for this side, this is the parallel. These two are parallel to each other. See, whenever the parallel is given, a chance is that we can use the basic proportionality theorem. And they say in triangle ABC, for this triangle also, it is DN and EC are parallel to each other. Okay? And they ask you AM divided by MB is equals to AN divided by NE. How to start? Very simple. Very simple. First let me take this triangle. In triangle ABC, I have to write the parallel side first. Because once I write the parallel, then only I can use the BPT. पहले मुझे parallel को लिख लेना पड़ेगा. DM is parallel to BC. तो given it. Okay. Therefore, जब मैं parallel लिखता हूँ, I can use the BPT. Therefore, AM divided by MB is equals to AD divided by DC. AD divided by DC. This is because basic proportionality theorem, and we call it as equation number 1. एक बार खत्म. Come to the second triangle. चलो, in triangle कौन सा triangle? ABC. In triangle ABC, DN and EC are parallel. DN is parallel to EC. DN is parallel to EC. जब ये दोनों आपस में parallel है, I can write AN by NE is equals to, therefore AN by NE is equals to AD by DC. AD by DC. Again, this is because of basic proportionality theorem. Equation number 2. देखो, equation 1 और equation 2 में RHS is AD by DC मैं कैंसिल कर सकता हूँ. What I can write? Therefore, AM by MB is equals to AN by ME. AM by MB is equals to AN by ME. That is the end of the problem. From 1 and 2, what I can write? AM by MB is equals to AM by MB is equals to AN by NE. AN by NE. That is the end of the problem. Okay. Let me go for one more problem. Okay. First you note this. Let us understand this problem first. What is given? PQR is a triangle. In this, MX is parallel to QR. This MX and QR are parallel to each other. Let me mark like this. These two are parallel to each other. Further, they say QX is parallel to MN. QX and MN are also parallel. Let me mark again here. These two are also parallel to each other. Show that something they asked. Now the question is, which triangle to be chosen is very important. See, let us start our problem as usual. Let me see what we are getting and what best we can do to get the answer. So let's start करेंगे. First they have told, what is it? MX is parallel to QR. MX and QR are parallel to each other. ये दोनों आपस में पैरेलल है. ठीक तरह से देखो. MX is parallel to QR. In triangle PQR, MX is parallel to QR. मतलब basic proportionality theorem अप्लाई करना है. देखो, these two are parallel. मतलब PM divided by MQ. Therefore, PM divided by MQ is equals to, देखो किस तरह से PM divided by MQ. ये तो लाइन यहाँ पैरेलल है, मतलब आपको ये दोनों लेना है px divided by xr is equals to px divided by xr. This is because of basic proportionality theorem. Call it as equation number 1. चलो दूसरी बात, qx, यहाँ qx and this are parallel. मतलब जब ये दोनों पैरेलल है, कौन सा ट्रायंगल लेना है? PQX लेना है. ये तो ठीक तरह से PQX, these two are parallel. देखो PQX, let me write in triangle PQX. देखो these two are parallel. MN is parallel to QX. MN is parallel to QX. Therefore, MN is parallel to QX. PM by MQ. Therefore, PM by MQ is equals to PM by MQ. Parallel to यहाँ है, parallel to यहाँ है, मतलब PN by NX is equals to PN by NX. Call this again. This is because of basic proportionality theorem. इक्वेशन हो गई. चलो दोनों में से क्या कैंसिल कर सकते हैं? देख रहे हैं चीज, PM by MQ आपस में कैंसिल. What is left? From 1 and 2, what you can write? Px by xr is equals to what? Pn by x. Pn by x. Is it what we wanted to do? Px by xr is equals to Pn by nx. Many children, this is the end of the problem. Let's see what is this converse of basic proportionality theorem. Let us start now. Converse of basic proportionality theorem. Converse of BPT. What it says? If a line divides two sides of a triangle, in the same ratio, then the line is parallel to the third side. Then we can say that line is parallel to the third side of the triangle, of the third side of the triangle, See, let us first draw a figure and I will explain you what is the meaning of this. Okay, what I say, a triangle is given. I will call that triangle as triangle ABC. Okay, this is the triangle. I will call the triangle as triangle ABC. What I say, if a line divides the two sides of the triangle, I will take this is my first side, A triangle का दूसरा साइड, A दोनों ट्रायंगल के दो साइड समझो दोनों. अब ये दोनों साइड्स को क्या करना है मुझे? I have draw a line which divides the two sides of the triangle in the same ratio. मुझे ऐसा एक लाइन ड्रॉ करना है. ये पैरेलल नहीं है, it is not a parallel. It is a line. I call MN is a line which divides the two sides in the same ratio. लेकिन पहले जो बीपीटी हमने प्रूव किया था उसमें मैंने क्या लिया था? MN is parallel to BC लिया था, लेकिन अब मैं पैरेलल नहीं ले रहा हूँ. क्या ले रहा हूँ? MN एक लाइन है. MN is a line which divides the two sides in the same ratio. That means what is given? Given is ABC is a triangle. से हमने प्रूव किया था, लेकिन यहाँ वो गिवन है am by mb is equals to an by nc is given for you. आपको क्या प्रूव करना है? आपको प्रूव करना है then that line is parallel to the third side. मेरा third side this is parallel to this. मुझे प्रूव करना है to prove क्या है? मुझे प्रूव करना है mn is parallel to bc. मतलब एक कॉन्वर्स थ्योरम क्या होता है? जो मेन थ्योरम का गिवन था ये यहां टू प्रूव हो जाएगा कॉन्वर्स थ्योरम, और जो मेन थ्योरम का टू प्रूव था इधर हो जाएगा गिवन. दैट इज द डिफरेंस ऑफ द थ्योरम एंड इट्स कॉन्वर्स. वहां गिवन था, यहां टू प्रूव हो जाएगा, और यहां जो टू प्रूव था वहां जाकर गिवन हो जाएगा. दिस इज ऑल अबाउट योर कॉन्वर्स ऑफ पीपीटी. अब मतलब एक बात आपको याद रखना चाहिए, अगर साइड्स प्रोपोर्शनल है आप कह सकते हैं लाइन्स आर पैरेलल, ये हो गया कॉन्वर्स. अगर लाइन पैरेलल है देन यू कैन से द साइड्स आर प्रोपोर्शनल, ये हो गया पीपीटी. दिस इज टेस्ट टू बी केप्ट इन माइंड. ओके, इसका जो प्रूफ है आपको एग्जाम में नहीं है, दिस इज प्रूफ इज नॉट देयर फॉर यू, लेकिन मैं आपको सिर्फ समझा दूंगा. बस क्या करेंगे, मैं एक दूसरा लाइन ड्रॉ कर दूंगा. अब मुझे प्रूव करना है ये दोनों आपस में पैरेलल है, प्रूव करना है, लेकिन मैं समझूंगा पैरेलल नहीं है और ये मेरा ये पैरेलल है. समझो, इसको मैं कहूंगा n डैश, लेकिन एग्जाम्पल नहीं है, सिर्फ आपको सुनना है. चलो अब मुझे प्रूव करना, गिवन तो क्या है am by mb is equals to an by nc, ये मेरा गिवन है. आपको प्रूव करना है कि ये दोनों आपस में पैरेलल है. अब समझो कि इसको बोलते हैं इनडायरेक्ट मेथड. इनडायरेक्ट समझो नहीं है, mn इसका पैरेलल नहीं है, कौन सा पैरेलल? मैं सब कहूंगा लेट m n dash be parallel to bc. ऐसा मैं समझूंगा let m n dash is parallel to bc. let मैं समझूंगा, सिर्फ प्रैक्टिकली नहीं है, लेकिन मैं समझूंगा कि ये दोनों आपस में पैरेलल है. तब क्या होगा जब आपस में जो पैरेलल है, तब एज पर बेसिक प्रोपोर्शनल थ्योरम के मुताबिक जब ये दोनों आपस में पैरेलल है, यू कैन राइट am by mb is equals to then am by mb is equals to an dash by nc, an dash by nc. ये कहां से आया? This is because of basic proportionality theorem. What is BPT says? जब दो लाइंस आपस में पैरेलल है, अभी भी मत कंफ्यूज मत कर लो कि यहां से दो पैरेलल आ गए, दो पैरेलल हो गए. We have assumed, हमने समझ रखा है, हमने समझ लिया है कि ये दोनों आपस में पैरेलल है. It's for the time being, assumption. इसको बोलते हैं assumption. समझ लो ये दोनों आपस में पैरेलल है. जब ये दोनों आपस में पैरेलल है, am by mb is equals to an dash by nc हो गया. But what is given? What is given? am by mb is equals to an by nc. ये तो given है. This is because given. मैं यहां से दोनों को am by mb को काट दूंगा, तो क्या बचा मेरे पास? an dash by nc is equals to an by nc. देखो an dash by n dash c, an dash by an dash इधर डैश आना चाहिए. an dash by n dash c is equals to an by nc. an dash by nc is equals to an by nc. ये कब पॉसिबल है? This is possible only when these two points coincide, right? This is possible only when n and n dash coincide. पॉइंट होंगे तब भी ये मुमकिन है, मतलब ये यहाँ ही आना चाहिए, मतलब ये दो आपस में therefore I can say therefore MN is parallel to BC। समझ में आया? वैल्यू अगर नहीं भी है चिंता मत करो, इट इज नॉट दैट फॉर द एग्जाम, लेकिन इसका प्रॉपर्टी इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। प्रॉपर्टी, आप प्रॉपर्टी के ऊपर फोकस करो। प्रॉपर्टी में तो दूसरा प्रॉपर्टी नहीं है, प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ दिस थ्योरम, प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ द थ्योरम। सी ट्रायंगल लाइन्स आर पैरेलल, I have given you the lines are parallel, you can say the sides are proportional, this is BPT। if sides are proportional then the lines must be parallel, ये हो गया कॉन्वर्स। अब हम ऐसा प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करेंगे जिसमें बीपीटी भी है, वही प्रॉब्लम में कॉन्वर्स भी है। कम ऑन, लेट अस स्टार्ट। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, हियर देयर आर टू प्रॉब्लम्स। As I told you, in these two problems, we have to use the basic proportionality theorem also and also the converse of BPT. But how to use, how to solve, let us see. Okay? First, let us understand this question. PQR is a triangle. I will write here. PQR is a triangle. Is a triangle. PQR is a triangle. See, DE is parallel to OQ. These two are parallel. These two are parallel. Okay. Likewise, they have given DF. This is parallel to OR. These two are also parallel to each other. Now, children, when they have given a parallel, you should think that parallel means basic proportionality theorem. When it is given parallel, definitely it is basic proportionality theorem. Okay, which triangle to be chosen? That is also very, very important. Which is the triangle to be chosen? Come on, I will start. In triangle PQO or POQ, this is the triangle I am choosing. In triangle PQO or POQ, see, whenever you are applying BPT, two things should be taken care. First one, which is the triangle you are going to choose, which are the parallel lines, then only you can apply the property of BPT. Come on, this is triangle POQ. Okay, D is parallel to OQ. D is parallel to OQ. This is because of given. Therefore, I will write PE divided by EQ. EQ is equals to PD, because parallel is here. This is the parallel. PD divided by DO. PD divided by DO. This is because of basic proportionality theorem. I will call it as equation number 1. This is equation 1. Come on. Second, I will choose POR. POR. In triangle POR. Hope that now you have understood how to solve the problem. In triangle POR, come on. DF is parallel to OR. DF is parallel to OR. See, triangle I have chosen, parallel lines I have taken. Now I have to apply the BPT. Therefore, PD divided by DO, PD divided by DO is equals to, the parallel is here. This is the parallel. Okay, PD by DO is equals to PF by FR. PF by FR. This is also because of basic proportionality theorem. Call this as equation number 2. Okay, from 1 and 2, from equation 1 and equation 2, something will be getting cancelled. PD by DO is getting cancelled, and we can write PE by EQ. PE by EQ is equals to PF by FR. PF by FR. I will call this as equation number 3. Let me see where it is. PE by EQ. PE by EQ is equals to PF by FR. My dear children, choose triangle PQR. Choose triangle PQR. In this triangle PF by FR. That means the sides are proportional. Definitely the lines must be parallel. Therefore, I can say EF is parallel to QR. That is the end of the problem. And I have chosen the converse of BPT. Come on. In triangle PQR. In triangle PQR. I don't know these are parallel. I have to prove it. Right? In triangle PQR, I don't know that these two are parallel, but what I know PE by EQ is equals to PE by EQ is equals to PF by FR. PE by EQ is equals to PF by FR. From where it has come? It has come from equation number 3. This is because from 3, when the sides are proportional, we can say the lines are parallel. Therefore, EF is parallel to QR. EF is parallel to QR. This is because of what? Don't write BPT. BPT means they should give you the lines are parallel. When you prove that the lines are parallel, this is converse of BPT. That is the end of the problem. This is how the problem can be solved. My children, the problems are really very simple, but you should show some interest. You should see how it has to be solved. Now, there is one more problem. Probably this will be the last problem of today's class. What I will do, I will just explain and I will leave you. Let me see how many of my students are able to solve this problem. And I hope many of you, those who are watching this video, I am very sure by all this practice, definitely you are able to solve that problem. Come on, I will explain you first. Wait, I will explain you what is the meaning of the problem. Okay, come on. What is it? PQR is a triangle. And O is anywhere inside the triangle. O is any point, not a centroid, not a circumcenter, simply a point O is equal. These are joint. PO, OQ, OR are joint. That means you got 3 triangles. 1, 2, 3. Now, A, B, C are any points on these lines. Any points. They are not the midpoints. Any points. Okay. Now this is joined. This is parallel to this. Keep in mind. Here this is given. AB is parallel to PQ. This is given. Further they say AC is parallel to. This is parallel to this. They ask you to show that these two are also parallel to each other. I hope that you can solve it very easily. Pause the video. Try to solve it. Definitely you are able to solve it. Come on, let me solve this problem. Which time I have to choose first? In triangle POQ. In triangle POQ. AB is parallel to PQ. AB is parallel to PQ. This is because given AB is parallel to PQ. Parallels are given. आप आराम से BPT अप्लाई कर सकते हो. Therefore, I can write what? कहाँ से देखो? स्टार्ट करो यहाँ से. OA by AP is equals to BO by OB by BQ. Reason BPT इसको इक्वेशन 1 हो गया. एक बार कम ऑन. अब जो बच्चों को पहले पता नहीं चला था, पता डेफिनेटली आया होगा कि दूसरा ट्रायंगल कौन सा लेना है. कम ऑन सेकंड ट्रायंगल. इन ट्रायंगल कौन सा लेना है? OPR. इन ट्रायंगल OPR और POR ऐसा लिखो, कोई बात नहीं. इन ट्रायंगल POR. ओके. AC is parallel to PR. AC is parallel to PR. Why? This is also because of given AC is parallel to PR. Given. Come on. When those two are parallel, CR. This is also because of BPT equation number 2. My dear children, अब तो पूरा प्रॉब्लम साफ है. उसमें इक्वेशन 1 और इक्वेशन 2 को देखो. कोई बाई आपस में कैंसिल बचा फ्रॉम 1 and 2 जो बचा हुआ है लगा दो इक्वल क्या है OB by BQ is equals to OC by CR. हमने प्रूव कर दिया कि साइड्स आर प्रोपोर्शनल, लेकिन देखेंगे कि ये प्रोपोर्शनल कौन से ट्रायंगल को बिलोंग करता है. कम ऑन. OB by BQ is equals to OC by CR. अरे यार ये तो ए ट्रायंगल का हिस्सा है. कम ऑन. कौन सा ट्रायंगल चूज करना है? कम ऑन. इन ट्रायंगल QR क्यों चुना है? क्योंकि ये जो पार्ट्स मैंने जो इक्वल करके प्रूव किया है वो वही ट्रायंगल के हिस्से हैं. ओके. OB BQ OC CR वही ट्रायंगल. QR. कम ऑन. क्या प्रूव कर दिया हमने प्रूव कर दिया OB by BQ is equals to OC by CR. यहाँ उसको प्रूव कर दिया. इसको मैं इक्वेशन 3 कहूंगा और यहाँ लिख दूंगा दिस इज बिकॉज फ्रॉम इक्वेशन 3 when the sides are proportional आप कह सकते हैं कि lines are parallel. Therefore BC is a parallel to QR. This is because of converse of BPT. My dear children, that is the end of the problem. BC is a parallel to QR. हमने प्रूव कर दिया है. This is how the problems of BPT and the converse of BPT both can be solved. My dear children, we stop our discussion here. So many problems related to BPT and converse of BPT we have solved. And that is the end of the first part of this chapter. And tomorrow when we meet, we will start the second part of the chapter, criteria of similarity. क्राइटेरिया मतलब कंडीशन. कौन से कंडीशन में हम ट्रायंगल्स को सिमिलर कह सकते हैं. याद करो कॉन्ग्रुएंस हमने सीखा था 9th क्लास में. उसने हमने कंडीशंस कौन सा लिए थे. एसएसएस कॉन्ग्रुएंट रूल, एसएएस कॉन्ग्रुएंट रूल, एएसए, एएएस, आरएचएस. ये 5 डिफरेंट कॉन्ग्रुएंट रूल्स थे. उसके मुताबिक हम दो ट्रायंगल्स कॉन्ग्रुएंट कर सकते थे. लेकिन देखेंगे सिमिलैरिटी में which are the similarity rules are there with which we can say the two triangles are similar. ये हमारा अगला हिस्सा. We will see in the next video. My dear children, practice the remaining problems of the textbook, solve it and get ready for my next video. Till then,